Welcome to ECA Training Hub. Join us as we explore how ECA Training Hub empowers individuals with practical skills for today's competitive job market. ECA Training Hub is an initiative under ECA Academy Private Limited, dedicated to bridging the gap between academic education and industry needs. Our mission is to provide practical exposure and skill-based learning opportunities that align with market demands. Why is ECA Training Hub necessary? Tailored skills for the professional market, courses designed with input from industry experts. Relevant and market-oriented curriculum, short-term courses based on current labor market trends. Bridging the academic-industry gap, emphasizing real-time training and project-based learning. Our programs cover a wide array of subjects: digital skills, leadership and communication, career counseling, skill-specific training. In a world where academic excellence alone is no longer enough, ECA Training Hub empowers you with the skills that matter. Thank you for watching this video. Explore our website at traininghub.ecaacademynepal.com to learn more about our transformative training opportunities.